Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Lego Disney Cinderella and Prince Charming's Castle. What a set. I bought it for the fish bowl, the nasty stepmother and the cat. 365 pieces in this, $120 at the Lego store, but look at me, I found a bargain. First one I bought for $68 in Amazon, and then I was walking past in Target and I stumbled across the second one for $28. I had to pick it up. Anyway, sometimes it's good to wait for sets. So we've got the three mini dolls there and the characters. I am loving the look of this. I have the old Cinderella castle, so it'll be interesting to see this one. And I like that we get a bed that you can put her to sleep. Well, put her to bed so she goes to sleep. Let's see what's inside. The colour palette of this is really nice. I love the dark blue, and that looks printed. Yes, that means minimal stickers because it's a 5+ set. And they're nicely packaged so they don't get crumpled or broken. What have we got there? A pumpkin carriage. We have some drawings of her dress that she was sewing and a clock. Cool. And we get 4 booklets because you can build with others, like your friends or your family if you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. Let's take a look at Cinderella, and I'm loving this new dress, the new skirt. I love the back printing, and there's like little sparkles there. And this is the previous one that I had from an old Cinderella set. So she had no design on the back, and she's off. Okay, we didn't get to see her too long. I love that we get a ball gown as well to put on, so you can dress her up to go dancing and then pop the other skirt on when you want her to play and sit. Prince Charming's making an appearance. Loving all the gold detail on this top, and I love that new hairstyle. It's like this big bulge on the front there for his fringe, and he's going to hold a pair of slippers because he's going to gift them to Cinderella. This is the old Prince Charming I had, so he's a little bit different. He didn't have the male torso, he had the boy torso. And he held one single shoe, like glass slipper. So that was him in the previous set. I actually like the new one, but a lot better now. Gus Gus, the cute little mouse there, and Lucifer the cat. Now I'm excited about Lucifer because I don't have him yet, so I really like that. And he's licking his lips to give Gus Gus a kiss. The evil stepmother. Now I'm loving the look of her, but her dress reminds me of Alma Madrigal from Encanto. I am loving her detailed face, her expression, the wrinkles there. Loving her beehive grey hairstyle. I love that I get another older character because I'm going to make her into a grandma in my city, I think. Starting with book 1, this will be the kitchen section for the castle, and I love that little hourglass. That's the first hourglass I have, so I'm excited about that. And I love all the printed parts in this set. This area up above is Cinderella's little sewing section. So she has a little dresser there with a mirror, and she will be designing her ball gown here. Time to pop Cinderella in because she needs to cut up her dress or make a dress for the ball. This here's where little Gus Gus will be hiding with his little block of cheese under the stairs. And more of those beautiful printed parts. This is a little, I don't know what this area is. It's like a little secret room. My favourite part is this fish bowl. I love it. It's my first fish bowl, so I'm super excited about that. Every castle needs some pumpkins growing in front of it, so that finishes that part off. Now I just need to click the stairs in place. We need a large table to display all the yummy foods in the castle. There's the cheese for little Gus Gus. This will be the main entrance to the castle, those beautiful printed stairs, and this is where Cinderella and Prince Charming will dance the night away. Love the front detail, those gold filigree parts, and the very detailed clock. Time for Cinderella's bedroom section. There's a picture of her and Prince Charming, and I'm loving this bed. It reminds me of the one from the Arendelle castle with Elsa's bed. So Cinderella can go and be tucked in, ready to sleep. Every castle needs a throne, and this one is very colourful, and I love the back bit on it. I wonder if it's comfortable. Let's try it out. I don't think she'll mind. The evil stepmother's trying to feed Lucifer a fish, but he's got his eyes on Gus Gus. Cinderella's getting her outfit ready for the ball. Prince Charming's looking through his treasure chest for a beautiful diamond. Cinderella and Prince Charming are dancing the night away while everyone watches on. The Lego Disney Cinderella and Prince Charming's castle. I loved building this. I love the dark blue and the blue colours and the iridescent and sparkly parts. They really make this set great. Lots of beautiful printed pieces. Definitely different to the very first Cinderella castle I have, but a set worth getting, especially for the price that I got it for. So everyone, get your bricks out.